Watch yourself.
So, we decided that we're just gonna swap the guts out of this one to rear end already in it. They're both 10 1/4 Sterlings. Look here, this is what it's supposed to look like. Obviously, they got hit or something and didn't tell us when we bought it. So we're gonna make do with what we got. Let's see if I can drag my bumper off.
Watch yourself.
Ready? Come on. Okay, probably. Actually wanting to get up. Give up this time. Come on. Just broke part of the drum. Oh yeah. Oh, she's fucking toast.
Oh yeah. Leaky wheels on. Oh yeah, she's spinning both sides. Same direction.
Oh yeah.
Good shit.
Same,
Bud.
she's toast. Like, pardon me? What?
Careful.
Oh, Chrissy. Hang on a second. Yes? What? Oh, I don't know. She just called me. I was talking to her when you called. Why? What's going on? It's supposed to have just an O-ring? This was the first time taking apart a rear end.
Mm-hmm.
Unless I had a proper rubber gasket. Gosh dang it.
Yeah. All right, Aaron, what are we doing?
Well, I found out the rear end is questionable at best. Identified years and everything. Made sure that they're the same rear end otherwise. And we're going to just put that in. Hope for the best. I'm going to send that off to my buddy at Hook Solid Racing. And he's going to set me up with a 4-link.
Yep.
And
so
we'll be rocking and rolling from there.
We're going to get this other one out, confirm everything is going to work. We're going to go get some new bearings, races, stuff like that. Fingers crossed. It's going to work.
Hopefully, the truck's debut will be at Fords and Dade at Mocan.
Yeah. But about to pull this pumpkin out, drain it, and start taking her apart.
I doubt it. I mean, we measured.
Yeah.
Ooh, well, before I make a big mistake. That way we can just crack it and let it drain. When in doubt, everything's a hammer. likes the abuse.
Somebody used a lot of RGV.
Ooh, she glittery.
No, she's not.
You don't think so? It's just the lights reflecting from my side.
Yeah, I think so. I don't see anything.
Just look like a light. Maybe that's because I'm light on it. I'll be damned. Huh?
If it is, it's so minimal.
Yeah, it ain't much at all. It ain't like that other rear end.
Do what?
She doesn't have a clutch pack either.
Yep, she's non-posi. Will that tone ring, is there a groove in there for it? Can you see?
Let's hop out and come back real quick.
That'd be bad.
Whatever you do not sell marijuana to my husband. Okay. Please do not fall on my fucking face. Okay, she seems tight. Seems tight. Oh, I done messed up. So they call me A wrong. I know one turn. Oh, I just.
Maybe because the drive shaft's hooked up to it.
Yeah, probably.
Probably why it don't want to turn, Aaron. God.
Why does this shit burn?
Well, heating up the bearings. Worked on that one. Had to beat it in a little bit, but we're gonna get this one even hotter.
How'd you torque them?
Huh?
How'd you torque them?
Well, yeah, usually when I torque them, they're inside the vehicle. Actually, you gotta have it helps you have a bonus. Oh man, don't beat that.
Why? What's the issue? Give me that hammer.
Easy. On the outside of it.
Come off.
Got the motor painted. Aaron, you got the motor painted?
Motor painted.
Got the motor painted.
Put the rear end in.
New carrier about to go in. Aaron,
Yeah.
what are we doing today, bud?
We are gonna try to get this rear end in today. Hopefully I didn't. I don't have this bolt too tight.
Well,
I'll have the right tools to take it off, and I tightened it by hand. Oh, there we go. Using the entire cover as a wrench.
that's the way to do it, bud. That is the way to do it.
Gotta do what you gotta do. Will you bring me a oh shit, a scraper? Doing it one tooth at a time.
Very nice.
Double checking them all. I'd like to put emphasis on the fact that we are not mechanics. We are backyard putter-togethers, and that's what we're doing.
We know it's not going to work. We just want to see how long it will. Isn't that right?
Yep. Hopefully by the time this thing gives out, I'll have invested in a better one.
Yes. Very nice.
And then I'll actually take the time to put it in right.
Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. And
Yeah.
is it ready?
Just about.
She ready to go 9s.
We're gonna hope.
To the 8th.
And pray.
To the 8th.
To the 8th. Like I'm hoping for maybe an 8, maybe a 7.
Ooh.
She's an 1/8 mile monster and a 1/4 mile weekend warrior. She's gonna do her fucking best.
It's kind of back together, we think. It spins. Not very well, but it spins.
None of this is